Guys, let us watch this video together. I know some of you will be wondering how all these people used to fix this Manoff. I take my time to take a video of these people fixing this Manoff, so that I will show you how they manage or how they used to fix this Manoff. Okay, so let's watch this video together. Let's go. Watch. This is the Manoff. You see those two guys, the one connecting it, the one fixing it. Those two guys up there, see them? The one connecting it, the one fixing it. Now watch. This is the Manoff. See, the other one is up. So those guys up there on top, they are the one fixing it. Look, yes, they are doing a great job, very great job. I take my time to take this video, so that I will show you how they used to fix this Manoff. There is a big truck, taking it up, a big car Manoff, the one that is taking it up. Look at this, it's coming down now to pick something else. Now it's coming to pick the weight, the kilo. This is the kilo. You see? Look, watch. Just watch it now. To put it in this place. To fix it this place. Just watch. Watch it. You see what is going to happen right now. See what is going on there? Right? Good. It's wonderful, right? Yes. You see? This is the kilo. This is the kilo. It's very heavy. Now watch. It's very amazing. It's very nice. Yes, it's very nice. Yeah, this is the kilo. It's 3 kilos. 1, 2, 3. But fix one first, just to hold it, to balance the weight. This one has to balance the weight so that it will not shake, to not go one side. Then after, they will fix, see the long pole. This long one, I'm going to fix it now. That kilo is to balance the weight not to go one side. See this very one now? This is the car Manoff, is one that is lifting this things up. It's going. Watch. These guys they are doing a great job. Watch is good. See that guy up on top of this? See that guy there? It's not easy. This is a risky job. It's a very risky. If you don't have heart, mind, you cannot do this. You can't do this. You need some people that have strong mind, strong heart. See, look what is going on there. It's very nice, very interesting. Wow. Watch. Very interesting. I love this. I take my time to take this video, seriously. I know that some of you will be wondering how they used to fix this. I want to show you the way they used to fix it, how they managed to fix this. See, after this, then everything is set. Everything is set perfectly, nicely. Watch, perfectly. It's very amazing. Very nice, very interesting. Those guys, they are doing a very great job.